Do you know that you can earn more than $200 per hour by watching videos on YouTube and Facebook? Yeah, as crazy as it might sound, that's the reality. By only watching videos, you can earn this type of crazy money. In this video, I will show you exactly what you have to do to start earning money in this way and take you through the whole process so you understand everything clearly. But before we start, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. If you have done that already, let's dive right into the video. To start, first, go to Google and type in Squishy Cash. Open the first link. This site will pay you money without even investing a dime. Many people have made money through this site and have left many positive reviews. You can earn money in many different ways by using this platform. There are 8 different options that are available for you. Choosing any one or all of them can potentially make you thousands of dollars each day. To withdraw your earnings, you also have many choices. PayPal, Skrill, and Amazon are among the many ways you can get your earnings sent to you. PayPal is present almost in every country, meaning that no matter where you are, you can use this site and still get paid without any problems. Now, coming to the real question, what exactly do you have to do to make money? As I have already told you, there are a large number of very easy tasks you can do on this site. I am going to explain each of them one by one so that in the end, you can easily figure out which one is the best for you. The first method is by completing the given offers. The second is by completing surveys which are very quick and easy to do. Next is getting paid to click. You just have to click with your mouse and you get paid. How easy is that? Offer walls is another one and probably the best among all choices. This is where watching videos will make you money. Fifth is free trials. This basically means you have to test out different things like newly created apps. You just have to download them and share your experience. This is a very fun thing to do. Shopping is also a method you can use to make some extra money. But shopping spends money. How will this help us earn? You might be asking yourself this question. Well, by shopping on this site, you get cash back, meaning whatever you spent, you will get a portion of it back into your digital wallet. On the 7th, we have a referral system. This basically means getting your friends to join the platform. I will explain it in detail a little later in the video. And last but not least, are contests and promos. Contests are to be won and promos are just basically free money you get in the form of discounts. But before you can start doing anything, you'd have to sign up for the site. The registration is completely free and is very easy. Also, by signing up, you will get $3 and 5 chips as a bonus. Chips are a currency on this site and you can exchange them for real money. Once you click the sign up button, you will need to fill in the details they require. You have to give your personal information like name, email, your address, and finally, set your password. When choosing the country, you can open up the list by clicking the arrow and see that almost all the countries are available to choose from. So, it doesn't matter whether you are coming from Australia or Europe or even some isolated part of Russia. You can use this site to your advantage. They have also written on the website that residents from every country can participate. So, you don't have to worry about your location at all. However, there is one limitation on this site, and it is creating only one account. If you are thinking about creating multiple accounts to multiply your income, let me warn you beforehand. This will lead you to getting banned and you will lose everything you could have earned. Be better safe than sorry. So please only create one account as I don't want you to get banned. Once you are done with entering everything, what remains now is to click I am not a robot and then agree with their terms and conditions. Click the sign up button and you are done. Now that you have created the account, you can start earning money immediately. After logging into your newly created account, you can see all the different ways to make money. There's a small Browse Offer Categories button and clicking it will enable you to filter the jobs you can see. Click the New Offers button that appears within the Browse Offers button and all the new offers would appear on your screen. You can see all of the offers are very simple tasks and the pay ranges from cents to a few dollars for some of the tasks. Some countries pay you more for completing the offers and some pay less. However, even the least you can get paid is very decent because the work is not much. You only have to do a few simple clicks and can complete hundreds of offers each day. Now, I know one trick that can make you exponentially more. If you do the thing I'm gonna show you, you won't have to work for cents and every offer you see would offer decent money. To do this, first of all, go to the Browse the Categories button again. After you click it, select Surveys. These are very simple surveys that are on this site and should not take more than 2 minutes to complete. I want you to not look at the money each survey offers. Just forget the money right now and focus on completing at least 10 of these. Once you do this, the option to view videos will unlock for you. Watching videos is probably the easiest and quickest way to make hundreds of dollars every day. Some videos offer up to thousands of chips for viewing them, and you have to find videos like this in the list to view. The second thing I want to explain is the referral system I previously talked about. It works like this. When you refer this site to a friend and they make an account on it using your link, you would get a commission. For the first level, you would get 25% of whatever they manage to make. The second level gives you 5% while the third gives you 2%. For the fourth and fifth levels, you would be awarded 1%. These percentages may seem low at first, but think like this. You refer 10 friends, each of them makes $100, taking the combined earnings to $1,000. In this case, you would get paid $250 without even doing anything except giving them the link. This is one of the best ways to generate passive income. Also, for each person that makes an account by your referral, you would get $1 as a bonus. So don't be shy and refer to as many people as you can. If you don't have many people personally, you can advertise your referral link like this. Just go to any social media site and start putting your referral code in the comments of posts. You can even post it in the comment section of popular YouTube videos. Forums are also another great way to reach a much larger audience out of which many can potentially use your link. The more people that see your link and click it, the more money you make. This brings us to the end of this video. Hope you have understood whatever I have taught you in this video. I suppose now you can also start making money through squishy cash and change your life for the better. If you liked the video, please do consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Also, tell us your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time!